In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-cell bar charts in Microsoft Excel. This is a quick and useful formatting technique that helps you visualize values directly inside your worksheet cells. Instead of reading through a list of numbers and trying to compare them manually, Excel can display horizontal bars in each cell so you can instantly see which values are larger and which ones are smaller. It's great for dashboards, reports, and any table where you want the data to be easier to scan. To get started, open your Excel file. Make sure your data is already in the worksheet and ready to use. For this method, the important thing is that you work only with the cells that contain the numeric values you want to turn into bars. Next, select your data, but highlight only the values. This part matters because the in-cell bar chart effect is applied to the numerical cells themselves. If you accidentally include labels, headers, or other text cells, the formatting may not look the way you expect. So take a second to carefully drag across just the numbers. Once your values are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the ribbon, find Conditional Formatting and click it. This menu gives you several ways to visually format data based on its value, and the feature we want is called data bars. After clicking Conditional Formatting, choose Data Bars. You'll then see different bar styles available. Excel typically offers options like Gradient Fill and Solid Fill. Gradient Fill gives the bars a softer visual effect, while Solid Fill creates a cleaner, more defined look. Either option works, so choose the style that best fits your spreadsheet, design, or personal preference. As soon as you click a style, Excel will automatically display bars inside each selected cell based on the size of each value. Larger numbers will show longer bars, and smaller numbers will show shorter ones. This creates an easy visual comparison without needing to build a separate chart. And that's it. You've successfully created an in-cell bar chart in Excel. A simple tip before you move on: if your data changes later, the bars will continue to reflect the updated values automatically, since this is conditional formatting. That makes it a very practical option for dynamic spreadsheets. It's a fast way to make raw numbers more visual, more readable, and much easier to interpret at a glance.